How to add the screen time widget on your Google phone with Android 14. While you're on your home screen, long press a blank area like this here. And this will give you these options right here. You'll see widgets. Go ahead and tap on that one time. This now will take you to all the widgets that are pre-installed on your Pixel phone. So just go down and keep going down until you see digital well-being, this one right here. As you tap on that, you'll see that one little widget there, and it's your screen time widget. Now to add it, you'll hold it down and you'll just release it to which page you want it to be on. And as you release it, it's gonna appear like this here. Now you can leave it like this here, and let's just say you're done with it, but maybe now you wanna go back and increase the size of it. So long press it one more time, and as you release it, you'll notice these little white circles on the sides of the widget itself. So go ahead and just pull them now, and pull it down to how much bigger you want it. And depending on the space on your home screen, you can make it as big as you want. And there is a limit, but you can make it to the maximum size that it can be, all right? So that's how you would do it. Now, if you do decide you don't want this anymore, just long press and you'll see the remove up here. You just bring it over and release it. You're good to go. Like and sub.